Hello students, welcome to the topic of tool grinding for square thread, both external and internal. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to cut a square thread.
Materials and equipment. Grinding machine. Grinding wheel. Diamond wheels. Tool holders. Measuring instrument. Thread gauges. Grinding fluids. Process. Check the diameter of the portion to be threaded. Set up the gearbox to cut the required pitch of thread and hand of thread. Set the tool square to the axis of the job with the square thread gauge. Set the spindle speed about 1¼ inch of normal turning. Cut the square thread by repeated successive depth of cuts to reach 3¼ inch width and depth of thread. Set the finishing square thread tool for finishing cuts. Cut the square thread to full depth and full width by taking successive cuts to complete the required thread form. Deburr and check the square thread using a square thread gauge. Recap.
In this video, we learn about how to cut a square thread.